Morning, Carl. We're up 119 for the Dow, up after gaining over 500 points for the Dow Jones Industrial Average in yesterday's move. The Fed Chair Jerome Powell exciting markets with his comments. Futures, though, did come off their highs at around 8:15 a.m. this morning after May ADP payrolls data disappointed. J.P. Morgan putting into perspective, it's the weakest monthly change since May 2010. It does raise the possibility that the labor market is weakening more than anticipated. The big talker this afternoon will likely be Vice President Mike Pence's meeting with the Mexican delegation. And remember, that 5% tariff on Mexico expected to kick in on Monday. Take a look at the market reaction overseas. A very strong market reaction to the Fed, even in the face of weak China data, where services activity grew at its slowest pace in 3 months. In May, the European stock market only up about 0.2%, so it's come off the highs. But in Japan, a move by 2% to the upside. Economically sensitive sectors leading us higher right now, specifically tech. That sector up about 1%, helping the Nasdaq outperform an early trade. Take a look at big tech, because Apple is the big mover there, now on track for its biggest two-day gain in 4 months. It's up about 6% in the past 2 days, and the best performer on the Dow this morning. Let's pivot to cruise line stocks, because Buckingham Research downgrading shares of Norwegian Cruise Line this morning. The firm sees earnings growth risks driven by these Cuba travel restrictions that were announced by the Trump administration yesterday. Analysts there cutting his price target on Norwegian to $56 from $77. And Nomura estimates that Norwegian Cruise Line has the most exposure to Cuba and therefore stands to lose the most from this new travel restriction, a possible 13 to 15 cent earnings impact. And all those three stocks are moving lower in today's market. Dow still up about 102. Carl, back to you.